regular expressions. You are already familiar with this regular expressions we have dealt with already. And as you see, these are the symbols we are going to use. So matching at the beginning of a line. So as you see, if this symbol is there, I start matching it from the beginning of the line. And then you have got the dollar sign matches at the end of the line. This is very important. Any character, if there is dot, any character matches. And slash s, small s, white spaces. Slash capital S, non-white spaces. Star, if you put therefore dot and star, it is any character 0 or more times. Suppose if you say question mark, it is what is called the non-greedy times. That is only once you search for the presence only once in the text. Here it will go on searching the whole text. Similarly here it is one or more times. Here one or more times, but non-greedy. It will do the first give the result of first search. Here you have got again within square brackets match a single character. There is any of the single characters here. This is match none of these x, y, z. This is none here. There it was for the beginning of the line. Here it represents none of these. Here any one of these, either A to Z or 0 to 9 set of characters. Start bracket and close brackets are used to extract data. We will look into that immediately. So now we'll get into what is called the wildcard characters. The dot character matches any character. As you see, I've got this is at the beginning of this is any character. As where if you add asterisk after that, it means any character 0 or many times. That is the meaning of that. So the character is any number of times. That is the meaning of it. Let us try. For example, here we have got the tilde symbol x. That means any expression starting with x, that is very important, only starting with x, match any number of any character many times, 0 or many times. That is the meaning of that. For example, here I've got the text here. So what will it give? The result would be, therefore, it is starting with x. It is going to print this one up to here, up to this, because it ends with the colon, ends with colon. So it will only print x, then x dspam dash result up to here. It will not print this because the end here is given by these two colon. So let us see. So here this is for the beginning. It has to appear for the beginning. This is non-white spaces plus one or more times. Dot means match any character. Now, for example, I'm importing RE, regular expression. Then I get the file handle for this message box, which text contains this text. So then I'm checking line by line. For line in fh, it is going to take the first line and find all. It is going to find all the data which starts with x, as you see, starts with x, and dash is there, and any character which is non-space character, non-white space character. That means SIEVE, non-white space character, and then it comes to one or more time, ending with colon, as you see, ending with colon. So what is the result going to be, sir? Any. So as you see, result is going to be from the first line, it is going to print only excessive. From the second line, it is going to print only this much. Third line, it is going to up to confidence and colon here. And the fourth line, it is going to print here up to body, not the rest of that. So this is how I'm using these regular expression beginning of the line, and then this non-white spaces one or more time. So that is the meaning of this in this particular line. Let us take one more example. Now we are going to extract data, match and extract. And let us see, RE search returns true or false depending on whether the string matches the regular expression. But we are going to use RE find all. So that this method is very important because it is not only matches, but it can extract data from a given line. For example, we'll take this import RE, then I have got a text here. So what does this do? As you see here, it is number 0 to 9 one or more times. So it is going to extract this data. As you see, it contains 19 here, 0, 9, 1, 9, 5, 2. The rest is not printed. It is only going to extract those characters 0 and 9 one or more time. So it's print y. As you see, this is the 0 to 9 one or more time. This is one or more digits. So as you see there, it is going to print 19, it is going to print 09, it is going to 1952. So this is what it is going to do. Let us take one more example of matching and extracting. Again, import RE. Again, I've got this expression. So same thing it is. So 0 to 9 plus 1 or more time x in this text. As you see, it is going to print. It is going to give you 1909, 1952. A list is going to be produced. It's going to produce a list. Suppose here, I am giving here capital AEIOU. So one or more time, but you see there are no AEIOU here, capital letters. Therefore, what is going to give? An empty list. So here you have extracted information. Digits are extracted from this text here, whereas it is in this case AEIOU, it is not appearing one or more time. So they are capital. Suppose it was small, then it would have given E here, it would have given A here. But in big capital letters, it is going to return an empty list. Okay. Now we come to greedy matching. So greedy matching means not only once, as many times as possible. That is called. So when you use this star and plus, it is going to give you not only once but many times, as long as, let's take this example. For example, from colon here, it ends with colon here. So what is going to happen? So I am going to say it should start with F, from. So it is going to print naturally from. Then this is any character one or more time. So FROM colon it is going to print, and it is going on because there is one more colon here, so it is going to print all this. As you see here, the result is from up to here. Not address is not printed because it is colon is appearing two times. Therefore this is called the greedy matching. You go on matching till you find as many matching characters as possible. So as you see here, this is starts with F. This is last character in the match is colon. So one or more time. So any character one or more time. Let us come to now non-greedy matching. So how am I going to restrict it to only once? So it's very simple. Earlier I put plus. This time I say plus and question mark. So that means it is a non-greedy matching. It is going to find only the first match. For example, here, though the colon appears twice, it is going to stop here. The result is going to be print y. This y will contain only from, because I have put a question mark. So therefore, here as you see, so last character in the match, this is one or more character, but not greedy because I have put a question mark. Now fine-tuning string extraction. Again, we are dealing with the find all only. Let us see what we do. For example, I have got a text here which contains this much data. I've got the email IDs there. Let us see. So I want to extract the email ID. So as you see, so here I have given this is the regular expression. This is non-space one or more time, non-space one or more time. Then before the ampersand and after ampersand. So it is going to extract only this. So all these are non-white space characters. So print y automatically it is going to print only the email ID. So this is I'm fine tuning this. We are going to do a little more of fine tuning using the brackets now. So let us see. Fine tuning string extraction. I use parentheses. So for example here, same expression here, same text, and print text, it is going to print the whole text. And this time, this is like earlier, find all, uh, at non-space character before, non-white space character afterwards. Naturally, it is going to print only Denzel at stlashes.ac.in. Now I'm going to change it. As you see here, I'm saying starting from, uh, even white spaces are there. White spaces are there. For example, white space is there. And then starting, now I'm going to extract only this information. Uh, at symbol before that non-white space characters, non-white space characters. So it is going to extract only that which is within this parenthesis. As you see, as it is going to print only Denzel logo, Denzel at stilashes dot. So this also is going to print that. This is a better way of extraction. So I'm using parentheses, only that which is uh, matching with this regular expression is extracted here. So this is what parentheses are used, and within that I give these regular expressions. There are also other regular expression here, but this is what I am going to extract from this text. Thank you.